In this video, I'll show you how to add labels in monday.com to organize your tasks and streamline your workflow. First, open the board where you want to add labels and get familiar with the layout. Look for the plus icon, which allows you to add new elements. From the options, select Status. This column type is essential for creating labels to mark different task states. Once the status column is added, click on any cell to start entering your label values like in progress, on hold, or completed. Customize them according to your team or project needs. To refine your labels, click a cell again to enter edit mode, then select Edit Labels. Here you can rename, delete, or rearrange labels and assign colors for a visually intuitive workflow. After customizing, enter the desired label values by typing them or selecting from the list, ensuring each label accurately reflects its status. Finally, click Apply to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized labels in monday.com, making task management more efficient, clear, and visually organized. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.